Today I'm attempting to get running the special edition midi moto. I bought it recently. I chucked in that sack of wank for spare parts. I don't know what I can get out of it, but if it's free I'll take it. Why it's a special edition? I had a hook. It's a proper thing. That's not just a sticker. You can see it on the other side. I've given these plastics a wipe over just to get me to where I want to make a start. Now I'm ready. We need a fuel tank, we need a throttle, and the carb's knackered. Well, I've got all them, so I'm going to get in there dry and put them together. Just going through my bag of tricks now. I've got this rev cable, because the one I come with, it's like a gold colour. So I'll see which one's the longest, because there's one thing you want, it's a bit of length. Well, the sand coloured one is the longest, so I guess we're going with that. And then this one, it's the carburetor. New parts are alright, enough full of oil, normally pretty reliable, and they're pretty cheap. That to one side. Should spring apart my hands. Nope, got it. Oh, it. I'll get it out. Get out. Got it. I'll stick this out the way. Workbench wouldn't go amiss, but we haven't got the budget for that yet. Yeah, I've got a shed coming soon. Just need to take it down, to be truthful. And this, where did I put it? And your spring. We're ready to go back together. Give it a good old tighten, as tight as you can. I will tighten it up more with a spanner, just to make sure, but nope, it's not budging. Something went wrong. Take it off, figure it out, try again. There we go. There we go. It's absolutely pissing down today. Otherwise we'd be doing all this outside. Yeah. Let me there's me over there. What are you talking about? Sat there looking at me. Hopefully I don't need any tools. I've got my socket set beside me, but it wasn't even enough room to open it. Yep, I need a screwdriver. Part 2. 3, 4, whatever it is. Back at you when I find a screwdriver. I'm back with my screwdriver. I think I put my hat on. Keep my brains warm. Yeah, see how this goes. Oh, I need this. Wrong end. Better. How the heck does it go? I have done one of these before, but not recently. Take it a bit. Take that bit off first. Get too carried away with ourselves. Yep, just like you'd expect, it is a little bit fiddly. Get in there, you bugger. Come on, get in. There we go. Try that round there. Saying, where did I put that screw? I have to watch a video back just to find out. Oh, there it is. There. Now the other bit. Should be in business. This is all ready to go on now. Guess it's time to get wet. Not in a good way either. So, take that bottom bit up before it falls to pieces. Yeah, I can hear that. Bit ropey, bud. What do you want for £6? Double check it. She's alive. Sweet. See you in the next part. Just about to put the carb on. Took the holding off. That's why it was knackered. Didn't have a petrol into that valve. Not sure what the deal is with this. He's took that off, bent it up, and made a balls of putting it back on again, but it's on, so I'll take it off for now. I've got another exhaust with it. This one here, we've got twin tips, but I'm not sure what goes on there. Just can't see it. Maybe that is the right one after all. I'm back at it. I've put my petrol tank on, give me no end of aggravation, but I got it on. I got this top fairing all fastened down. Now I'm sticking my seat on. The seats, the one off Donna I got given. So I've got to make a few adjustments. Already marked my holes, I hope. Well, it's just time to go for it. Hopefully it lines up. Soon see. There you go. Just got to fasten them on now from the bottom. We're finally back. Still freezing, but we're here. I've had the tyres blown up, which caused me no end of aggravation. Must be 3 inches higher. So today we're going to get it finished. I need a fuel filter putting on, I need the air filter putting on, the plastics have to go back on. So let's keep cracking. Got a bit of sandpaper to tidy all that back up. We're going to fit the kill switch, we're going to get rid of all the non-essentials like that. So let's get going. I told him to ride off into the sunset, but he come back. Thanks everybody for watching. Till the next one.